Your children have bugs and you don't know how to deworm them. This is the recipe that pharmacists don't want you to know. This recipe is excellent for good digestion. If you suffer from constipation or have a bloated stomach, a spoonful of this potent recipe will eliminate all the bugs and cleanse your colon. So take note of everything so that you too can have this powerful recipe because you can use it too. Let's start today's recipe by cutting a papaya in half. As you may already know, papaya is excellent for improving intestinal and digestive function. It's rich in fiber, minerals, and vitamins. But did you know the benefits of eating papaya seeds? Today we're going to use papaya seeds to prepare a powerful recipe that will make you expel all the parasites you have. Put the papaya seeds in a bowl of water and wash them well. In the meantime, I'd like to know if you're interested in any special recipes. If you are, let me know what you're suffering from and we'll publish it in a future video. We're going to use a pestle to crush our papaya seeds. After cleaning the seeds, we'll put about 10 seeds in the mortar and pestle and grind them well. For children, you should only use 5 seeds. We'll also use half a lemon. Friends, this and all the recipes we prepare are made with a lot of love to help you find solutions naturally and without spending a lot. We appreciate the great support you give us, and if you have any comments or recommendations, we're here to listen. Once it's well crushed, add the juice of half a lemon and mix well. Friends, this drink is excellent because it also reduces cholesterol and triglycerides. It is antiparasitic, capable of causing parasites to lose their locomotion inside the stomach, which causes them to be expelled through the feces. It cleanses the colon, as it is a laxative and eliminates the toxins that appear in this vital human organ. Prevents cancer. This mixture, due to the presence of polyphenols and alkaloids, makes you lose weight as it prevents the body from absorbing fat and sugars. When our drink is ready, we'll take a frog or a spoonful for 3 consecutive days. You'll notice that on the second day, your body will be expelling all the parasites that have swollen your belly. If you've made it this far by watching our recipe or natural remedy, we'd like you to rate this video from 0 to 10 so that we know how much you like today's recipe and so that we can continue creating healthy and natural videos like this one. We would like to thank from the bottom of our hearts all the kind people who support us and send us nice messages. And we hope to continue creating very useful and natural videos. Blessings and goodbye.